Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a quick, simple, easy DIY for you today using this frame from Dollar Tree. I'm sure you've seen this. A lot of people have been hauling these. I'm going to be putting this beautiful butterfly picture inside of that, and then just embellishing the frame just a little bit, something a little bit extra. The paper that I'm going to be using, that's a 4x6 paper. I got these from Temu, and I just wanted to show you some of the other just beautiful designs that came in this pack. I have used a few of them already, but they are just so pretty. I just love the colors and the patterns on them. They're just gorgeous. It's a VW bus. I like these 4x6 papers. I've purchased quite a few of these. I use them mostly around Christmas time. They have some beautiful ones for Christmas, but this one I was drawn to. So that, let's see, I'll just show you one more, but these came from Temu. So we're going to get busy. This is going to be really quick, very, very simple. Originally, I was going to decoupage this onto the glass, but I decided I'm going to use double-sided tape, and that should work out just fine. So let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing I want to say about this frame is it is a very light plastic. I was actually surprised when I picked it up because it really, really is beautiful. I don't know what I was expecting, but not a plastic like this. But anyway, they only had 2 of them. I've been looking for them for a little while, and I bought one. I passed on the other one. I don't know if I would use it or not. Okay, like I said, normally when I do frames, I do decoupage with Mod Podge onto the glass. I use the iron-on method for that, but because this is a darker print, I thought, why not just use double-sided tape? And I'm gonna do it right on this cardboard piece right here. And I think that'd be really simple. So let me go ahead and get some tape on here. We have a beautiful day here in Wisconsin. It reached almost 70 today. The sun is out. I got my first grass cut in, which always feels good. The bird feeders are full, and they're very happy. I was sitting outside with the birds, one of my favorite things to do. I have a lot of bird feeders and squirrel feeders. Can't forget them. But I love sitting outside and listening to the birds. I had a beautiful blue jay in my yard today. Oh my goodness. And he was singing away. So, my happy place. The weather's so nice. I wanted to keep going and get more things out, get my yard decorated, but on Tuesday we're gonna go back down into the 50s. So I think I will just wait a little bit yet before I decide to dig out all my things. Okay, come on. Let me start somewhere else then. There we go. This frame gives me kind of vintage vibes. I don't know, has anybody found them? Anybody bought them? Done anything with them? Now, get this on here straight. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should have decoupaged. I am not good at getting things straight, but it's okay. It's gonna work. I know it will. There we go. So I just tape that to the back of this. I didn't even have to take the glass out. There we go. I think that's very pretty. This flower I have, my mom was a crafter too, and I now have all of her craft supplies. But she did different types of crafts. She used a lot of lace and flowers, little flowers like this. I just think this is so pretty, and it will just give this a little bit of a pop yet. I think the frame just needs something on it. I don't even know if you'd be able to find anything like this anymore. There we go. Okay, let me see. I find that I'm using these flowers a lot now in my crafting, so I'm very happy that I have some of her things. Okay, I think that finished it off nicely. See, quick and easy. But there we go. If you've done anything with these frames, please let me know if you like them or kind of feel the same way I do about the plastic. I'd like to hear that also. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you soon. Bye for now.